What's up, guys? Peter and Eli here. It's about 7:30 in the morning right now, and we're gearing up. We're getting the last bucket, and we're about to head out to AR 315 off the coast of Atlantic Beach, North Carolina, and then we're gonna head out to some deeper wrecks later in the day. We'll catch up to you when we get on the boat and get rolling. Hey, before we go, we're waiting in this down. We're gonna check on the chicken.
These are the chickens, if you're new, that we have that we bought a couple days ago. So that one's name is
Pete,
Rusty, Coco,
and Sarah.
Sarah, and Peep. Peep has the gray stripes on his back, and that one's Sarah.
We're back on the boat. We're settling into the no-wake zone, and we're about to head out to AR 315.
We picked up another person. We got Jesse, and we're about to go see what we can do on the offshore.
See y'all when we get to the wreck.
The spot we're going fishing at, this is Northwest Places. So we're gonna probably anchor up, find some bottom that we can go fish off of, and we're gonna go bottom fishing with some squid, and we're gonna see what we're gonna catch.
We got Jesse down here rigging up. We'll check it back in when we got something on.
All right, what you got? Got a sea bass? Think it's a sea bass. Hey, Jesse, little sea bass. What you got over there, bud? You reeling some in? All right, and we also have Peter on the Peter trying. All right.
Some of these are probably
Another sea bass. Oh, we got to find some something with a little bit more size to it. Peter. All right, hold on. Peter's got one. All right, what you got? He's working hard.
Oh, it's a big one.
All right, nice one. Oh, I got. Oh man, we got us. That one's better. Look at there.
Eli.
All right. I believe he'll measure, don't you?
Oh, definitely.
What is he?
14.
14.
Yeah.
Put him in the box. All right, Jesse, what's he like? You got a nice one? What in the world? What? Massive. Massive. Oh, hold on. Let me get closer so we can actually see him. That might win the small award right there. What? Wow. Hand holder. There's Eli's line going right down and hit the fish. And there's the fish.
I got two.
You got two? Do I need to be filming this? You're not going to bring up another 3-inch fish, are you?
I'm not a
2 3-inch fish. Can you add them together? Oh, what do you got?
That's a big one. That's a big one.
2, but one of them is on the edge. There you go. Eli, what you got? Is there a keeper?
Yeah.
Now hold them up. Let's see. It almost looks like a good eating one. My goodness, what do you have? He ate it twice?
Yeah.
My goodness, that's cool. What do you think? He's hungry.
He's really hungry.
Yeah, he'll be big. We'll catch him in the next week. He'll be fat. All right, Eli is challenging himself on a smaller fish. Let's see what we got. Ooh, that one. We're gonna have to go back and compare. That's pretty. Oh, Jesse's got a small one too. What do you think, buddy?
I think it's tiny.
All right. Big old sea bass. Eli got a sea bass too? And not quite as big.
What?
What is that?
Why was there 3?
Sea bass up. I wish that other one was really big. A sea bass was chasing my other sea bass up.
Oh, really? That's a better one. What do you think?
Big one on a dead little sand pearl.
Dog. Another good one.
It's like
Eli got a double over there.
He can't gas it.
Well, it's too small to gas.
Eli. Out here bottom fishing. Let me show you the cooler. Eli's using a Sadinky rig. He's got one on. He's trying to get 4.
Ooh. He's a fighter, definitely.
Here's the cooler. We got our triggerfish, bunch of black sea bass, a couple of hogfish, a couple porgy. Looking pretty good right now. Eli's trying to. Eli's trying to.
I'm pretty sure I have 3 on right now. I'm trying to make it 4.
Jesse over here. Justin.
Oh, wait.
Jesse big. We're marking big fish right here. Jesse's getting bites.
I have a Sabinky rig on. Hoping I get something. It says that it's rated for Spanish mackerel, bonito.
Let's try the George Summerlin 285.
Got it.
Oh, fish on.
Oh, wait. So that's just something.
The 285.
It's right over there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Jesse's on.
4 miles from here.
Eli holler with bites. Jesse's lost it. Anything. Big.
This game's not massive, but he's small. Itty bitty, teeny tiny.
Nothing. Oh. What's that? Little porgy.
I feel like there was another thing.
Getting any bites, Jesse?
Dropping down. Showing the marks.
We're getting lots of marks in here at about 40 to 50 feet. So, trying to see what he can catch.
I'm gonna go down.
There's lots of marks on top, but we're thinking that the marks on top are jellyfish. Because we have not been getting any bites with the jigs.
Hits, but I know there's sea bass, so I'm letting the sea. There's 5 other hooks, which means that hopefully I might be able to hook something else while I'm down there. Sea bass are a porgy, I don't know. Oh.
See that? One more bite.
That was.
Flounder?
Maybe it could be 2. I don't even know.
Fish on.
He's fighting.
Sea bass.
Sea bass.
Anything, Jesse? Up here we have a line out with a sea bass on top water. Or maybe an occasional king or something like that. Jesse's on, big fish. Bigger, Jesse? Uh-oh, Jesse.
I'll go by the motors.
You got it. What is it? Is it shaking?
Yeah.
Big sea bass? Oh, there's Eli's sea bass. Jesse's fighting.
Oh, yeah.
I see color.
Oh, there's a big sea turtle over there. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
That sea turtle.
That's seaweed.
Huh?
Oh, it is a sea turtle.
Big
It
one.
is massive.
mahi.
The seas are right there.
See 'em?
Yeah. Jesse, what'd you get? Big sea turtle.
Real big sea turtle.
Massive.
Y'all said there's a color
There.
around it.
Should I pitch a bait up to him?
So, what's up, guys? Today we're out here cooking today's catch. I wasn't there for fishing today, but Eli and Peter caught some nice sea bass, triggerfish, and grunts. So here we are. I have this little bag of small little strips, filled with seasoning. I'm just gonna kind of shake it up a little bit. We have some finished ones right here that we're kind of taste testing, and we have some on the grill already. This right here is triggerfish.
These are triggerfish.
This is what we're gonna fry in a minute. And
then all this
we're
fish.
kind of just basically grilling it, and we have some more to go.
That's the process of cutting up. We have a lot. We're preparing for a couple of people. Like this. And then we got a whole bunch of sea mullet. We're gonna cook. It's gonna be a lot of cooking, but I think it'll be worth it while we're feeding so many people.
Yep.
Peter's coming in a little bit.
So we're using, for the seasoning, we're using Lowry's seasoning, obviously some Old Bay in there, and then garlic and onion powder. So
About equal ratios for all of them.
yeah, a little bit more Lowry's than all the others, 'cause, you know, that's always fan favorite. But